यस आज हम बात करेंगे प्री बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन। फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट पॉलिटिकल साइंस, क्लास 12th। ठीक है, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, टाइम इज 3 hours, maximum marks 80. First of all, we have to come to general instructions. All questions are compulsory. Question 1 to 12 are multiple choice question of 1 marks each. Question number 13 to 18 are 2 marks each. Answer to these questions should not exceed the 50 words each. Question numbers 19 to 23 are 4 marks each. Answer to these questions should not exceed the 100 words. चलिए instruction number 5. Question number 24 to 26 are passage, cartoons and map based question. Answer accordingly. Question number 27 to 30 are 6 marks each. Answer these questions should not exceed 170 words. There is an internal choice in 6 mark questions. First of all, we have to see the section A of 12 marks. Commonwealth of Independent States is also known as. You have to choose the correct option. Correct option आपको choose करना है. इसमें basically हम we have to talk about the questions only. We don't talk about the answers. So let's see once more. Yes. Next one. Choose the odd one out from the following statement. Okay, you have to choose the option. Question number 3. Which of the following country exit from EU? ठीक है. Question number 4. Operation Desert Storm was also known as. Question number 5. In year 1980, political party was formed. Question number 6. Which statement is incorrect? कौन सा statement incorrect है वो आपको बताना है. Question number 7. Assertion reason है. Yes. Assertion and reason options दिए गए हैं. Okay. Assertion. Lal Bahadur Shastri was the first Prime Minister of independent India. Reason. Shastri was the India's Prime Minister from 1964 to 1966. Question number 8. Assertion. Globalization reduces the capacity of state MNCs exert their influence on government decision because their fulfillment is affected by the decision taken by the government. Reason. All over the world, an old welfare state is also now being replaced by a more minimal one. Next question. Which of the following statement is true about Niti Aayog? Next question. UNEP refers to. Next question. Founder of Mizo National Front. Next question. Arrange the following in chronological order. यानी समय के अनुसार आपको इसको जो है अरेंज करना है. ठीक है. Yes. Now we have come to the section B. Define the World Bank. Mention any 2 functions of World Bank. Question number 14. Define arms control. Why it is important. Question number 15. Write any 4 problems that India faced during the partition. Question number 16. What is foreign policy? Write India's foreign policy towards Israel. Question number 17. Why did Pakistan fails to frame its own democracy? Question number 18. Define mixed economy. Write any 2 major outcomes of the Indian model of mixed economy. Section C. Define global commons and explain how environmental concerns become important. Question number 20. Justify the statement globalization has shifted power from nation states to global consumers. Question number 21. Write any 2 princely states who resisted to join the Indian Union and how Hyderabad became a part of Indian Union after the independence. Question number 22. Describe NAM, how NAM contributes to newly independent countries in the context of India's foreign policy. NDA. Next question. Mention any 4 objectives of NDA 3 and NDA 4. सेक्शन डी पर आ जाते हैं. सेक्शन डी का जो है फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन लेते हैं. रीड द पैसेज गिवन बिलो एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चंस दैट फॉलोज. When India conducted its first nuclear test was termed as a peaceful explosion. India argued that it was committed to policy using the nuclear power only for peaceful purpose. This period when the nuclear test was conducted was a difficult period for domestic politics. Following is the Arab-Israel War 1972, entire world is affected by the oil shock. Due to the massive hike in the oil prices, Arab nations, it led to economic turmoil in the India, resulting in high inflation. When and where India conducted its second nuclear test? Why this period difficult for domestic politics for India? Question. Which region leads India to high inflation? Question 4. What reasons did India give to the world after its first nuclear test? Next question, number 25. In the given outline political map of India, 4 states have been marked A, B, C, D. Identify these states on the basis of information given below and write the correct names in your answer book along with the respective serial number of the information used and concerned alphabets as per the format that follows. In which state the student movement take place? The state with the largest number of seats in legislative assembly, the states which is union territory now, the state where the Congress did not get majority in year 1967. ठीक है, अल्फाबेट कंसर्न एंड नेम ऑफ द स्टेट आपको यहाँ पर इस टेबल में लिखना है. चलिए आगे चलते हैं, इस मैप पर आपको शो करना है. यस, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस आर विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड कैंडिडेट्स. विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड कैंडिडेट्स के लिए दूसरे क्वेश्चन हैं. द स्टेट्स ऑफ इमरजेंसी वाज डिक्लेयर्ड. द हेड ऑफ साहा कमीशन. व्हिच ईयर स्टूडेंट मूवमेंट इन गुजरात वुड स्टार्ट. Who led the railway strike in 1974? Yes. Now we have come to the next one. Study the cartoon and answer the questions that follows. इस कार्टून को आपको स्टडी करना है, देखना है. उसके बाद what does the cartoon represent? Identify the person stands in the victory position. Identify the person who is lying on the ground. Identify the lady in the cartoon. Yes. Question number 26. फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन आर विजुअली इम्पेयर कैंडिडेट्स इन लिeu ऑफ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 26. यानी जो 26 क्वेश्चन के बदले जो विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड कैंडिडेट्स हैं उनके लिए हु बिकम्स द प्राइम मिनिस्टर आफ्टर द इमरजेंसी. तो इकोनॉमिक सिचुएशन गॉट वर्स. कब से कब तक? द इलेक्शंस टर्न्ड इनटू अ रेफरेंडम ऑन द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ द इमरजेंसी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. which was not the mode of the protest undertaken by the Jayaprakash Narayana against the government of Bihar. Now we have come to the section E. Briefly explain the reasons and consequences behind the disintegration of USSR, or explain the Gorbachev reforms in USSR and their effects. Question number 28. What is ASEAN and objectives of ASEAN community? Or what are the reasons behind the China to become economic superpower? Question number 29. Critically evaluate the difficulties to make the reforms in United Nations. Write the evolution and United Nations. How does United Nations work with the help of the structure and agencies? Question number 30. Critically analyze the dominance of Congress party in the first 3 general elections. Or what are the reasons behind the major victory of Indira Gandhi in the 1971 Lok Sabha elections? Briefly explain. Okay, this was the question paper of class 12th subject political science, and this was the question paper of pre-board first. That's enough for this one. Thank you.